Hello everyone, myself Nimy PG from Department of Psychology. I am here for giving a brief introduction of a topic, the power of positivity. As its name suggests, it mainly deals with the positive ways of thinking, feeling, behaving and interacting with oneself and with others in a positive style. How to become more positive? It is very important. First of all, you have to maintain a positive and optimistic mental attitude towards life. The second thing is how to develop a positive attitude. It is very simple. Start a day with love and smile. Spend a day with love. Fill the day with love and end the day with love and smile. Now I am going to give a brief introduction of the subsections of this course, which will make you a truthful, empathetic, valuable and emotionally stable personalities. The first section we will deal with the values, nature and concept of values. Some of the values we are describing is truth, love, right conduct and non-violence. In the second session we are dealing with emotions, basic positive and negative emotions, facial expression, emotional expressions and emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand, use and manage emotions accurately. In the third session, the core part, the positive thinking is elaborated. How to become more positive, how to change your negative thinking into positive. These are dealing in the third section. And lastly, we are dealing with power of relationship. You have to build a strong and fruitful relationship with your teachers, parents and close friends and family. That is the key to success and happiness. Then we are introducing some of the techniques and simple and useful techniques to deal with your tension, stress and anxiety. How to deal an effective life in an effective way. So think positive, positive things will happen. You have to choose a positive aim. How to become positive? Just change 3 things: your attitude, your thinking and your behavior. With a bad attitude, you will never have a positive day, and with a positive attitude, you will never have a bad day. The choice is yours. Thank you.